we? My beautiful dream crew. How are we? Welcome, 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 my beautiful gems, my beautiful precious ones. Welcome to another compelling, striking, and mesmerizing, as usual, God willing, as in God's favor, in God's command. Quite striking and quite compelling connect this team. Yeah. So yes, people, how are we doing? I hope and pray each one of us, each one of our beautiful people are doing great, doing well, and feeling good about yourself, and yes, feeling good about others, and yes, and let's begin. Yes, and yeah. So, people, my beautiful precious ones, our concern or my concern today speaks strongly on our karma. Yes, people. Well, of course, no doubt. Of course, with all due respect, each one of us, people, each one of us are much connected on this page. Yes, we are quite read, we are quite learned, we are quite connected to this page. Yes, which is addressed to say as karma. Yes, people, my beautiful people. Well, in my prior pages with each one of you, I have spoken several times that people, let's commence on striking positivity. Let's commence on striking positive words, beautiful words, and keeping negativity aside. Well, yes, people, that's the concern for today. What goes around comes around. Yes, people, this is the strong, innovative, very, very compelling, very, very, very very moving and very strong concern to address before you, that my beautiful precious ones, my dearest people, what we open and how we open our words, or we address our people, individuals, random strangers, yes, is what is going to shower back on us very, very strongly. Yes, people. And much the same goes with me as well. Oh, yes, 101%. Absolutely. People, my beautiful people, as I have, well, of course, I have much in prior already connected with you on this page, that people, we are so beautifully blessed with our lives, which has been gifted by our creator lordships. Oh yes, people, we are so blessed. We are so we are so connected. We are so in his vibe, in his shower of abundance, yes, and caring, that we are breathing this moment. Yes, we are so much, we are feeling on top of the world. Why? Because we are blessed as being a human being, people. Oh, yes, my beautiful people. Well, much on concern front, we are, each one of us are well read to learn that what has behoved of us in our prior page of lives will commence on this front. Oh yes, absolutely 101% to that. Yes, people, it is so mandatory for us to keep in our minds that we need to we need to focus, prioritize to to learn on that case front, to treat our fellow beings, our people, our relations, our kith and kin, our confidants, our children, our people whomsoever we may be connected to. Yeah, and much the same will thrash back on us. It may be well, it may be ugly, it may be positive, it may be disaster. Oh yes, people, my beautiful precious ones. In with all due respects, absolutely, our actions speak louder than words. Oh yes, and I have most certainly connected on my page as well earlier that people, my my precious beings, that our actions addressed in this present moment will activate much later before our creator lordship. Yes, my beautiful people, well, too much the same. Each one of you are quite on the same page as well. Yeah, people, we on humanity grounds are bound to voice our uh, our I mean, what we may do good to others, how we may excel in our actions to others, how what minor petty blessings we may commence on others. People, people, my beautiful precious gems, we on humanity grounds are doing our deeds as we may bestow to do. Yes, we may thrive to try to become a positive human being, a better human being, day to day. Each morning, each sunrise, we are blessed to be with. Yeah, we try. I speak for myself from prior. We try to open our mouth with positivity. We try to open our mouth with humble words. Yeah, we try to open our mouth with words that may not hurt another, or trash that person deep down, and yeah, and people, our actions, with all due respect, will be, with all due respects, connected on the last page with our lordship. Yes, the checklist is already on his front. Oh yes, my beautiful people. Therefore, our our actions, our how we are, if I mean, we are being good to another, we are being superb with another, we are going head beyond, heels beyond, head beyond, we are trying to be, to go beyond our versions, to our best versions, to do as exceedingly much as we may want to do for another. People, my beautiful people, we do not need to address this to none. Believe you me, people, this is what is comforting to us. Absolutely, yeah. My beautiful people, my beautiful people, as I have spoken many times prior as well, that that a person may try to be ugly, or may try to speak as ugly as may be, or try to, behave right low in caliber with you, or pull you down, it will go against that person in his good space of time. Yeah, believe you me. Yeah, our silence, our power of protection is silence. Oh yes, believe you me. Oh, yes, my beautiful people. And believe you me, this silence and this power of peace is is being gifted to us by our Lordship. Believe you me, my beautiful people, our silence is our healing to ourselves. Absolutely. We, no matter how hard would it be when a person is trying to be ugly with us, has been ugly to us, is I mean, has spoken ugly with us, has spoken very very I mean um negatively with us, people, my beautiful family, we need to take a deep breath and we need to heal. We need to be silent. We need to heal and we need to let go. Absolutely. And believe you me, the power which stands in our Creator Lordship. Absolutely. People, I speak of myself in all aspects. I ain't no saint. Absolutely not. I I ain't no saint. I I each morning when I meet with my Lord, I address to meet with him, before I may connect with none other, to thank him, to open my eyes, to wake up to this sunrise. Yes, I confess before him to forgive me for being the. I mean, I'm an absolute demon before my lordship. Absolutely, my beautiful people. I ain't no saint. I ain't no. I am much as each one of us are. However, in the eyes of my Creator, I am the biggest demon. I beg for forgiveness each time I stand before Him. Oh, yes. However, my beautiful people, that is commendable. That is the journey which we are thriving on, or which we need to compel on thriving on. Yes, we are human beings created by Him. Absolutely. We are human beings gifted on being created by Him. We need to simply, well, easier said than done. I do not deny, absolutely. However, the strength, the power to, the power to take a deep breath and to release and to let go, it comes only from Him. Believe you me, the strength to hold it on within ourselves, and people, instead of, rather than going left right center with your complaints, with your pain, with your with your anger, with your sorrows, believe you me, people, just one petty step I will beg before you to compel would be, people, just take off your shoes. It's a minor petty activity, although, but however, it has commendable power. It has immense power. It has bountiful power. And yes, believe you me, I speak on myself as well. Yeah. So you need to simply take off your shoes and you need to stand before Him and address yourself to Him. Address the person that may have given you that pain. Address that happiness before Him as well. Of course, you need to address joy, bliss, happiness, and much the pain. People, it has immense power. Your confidant, your confidant, the person who you can actually, with all due respects, you can connect with, and keeping in mind that it will not be taken haywire. Oh, yes, believe you me, it will only heal you, my beautiful people. It will heal you, it will give you immense strength to understand the fact that, all right, the page that has come before you, or what has come before you, how it has come before you, he will look after it. It'll be in his hands. Oh, yes, my beautiful people. Yeah. So it is all in his command. I shall put across a very very petty example before you. People, we are human beings, gifted by His creation. We are, we are thrive to have, we thrive to have these, these. Feelings, or this, this cultivations, or the this, that that connect to, thriving to, to enjoy something, or, I mean, take in whatever we want to, it may be food, it may be whatever. This is us. We are human beings, right? Created by Him. However, people, it is mandatory for me to put across a minor petty example before you, which is that it is just prior few days back. You see, it was a beautiful, cloudy, rainy. It was raining like cats and dogs, yeah. And people, I have to put this before you, that we are human beings, we have these, we have these thrives. We thrive to have that indulgence, to crave. We crave for food, we crave for a lot of luxury, we crave for lots and lots more, yeah. However, the approval, the positivity and the command is only His. That is my Creator Lordship, our Creator Lordship. Oh, yes. And the approval commences on Him prior. Thereafter, it may execute to further on. Oh, yes, absolutely. Therefore, it holds to be a minor, petty, I would want to put across my beautiful family, as being much as each one of you, a human being, which is bound to have a craving for immense, immense things. I mean, immense situations on, taking some sweets, or being a beautiful cloudy morning, and yeah, that's when it happened to me as well. I woke up on a cloudy, rainy. It was raining like cats and dogs, and I cultivated to have a thriving to have some fennel cake, which in my Indian language would be jalebi. Oh, yes, and I must also put across my beautiful people that. It was that, that craving which thrived in me that early morning, that I have to have that plate of that hot jalebi with some warm steaming hot milk. um, People, my beautiful people, I was not destined to have that. I will address to you why. It was not my lordship's approval. Oh, yes, people, we on humanity grounds, my beautiful people, we, whether we have food on our plate, whether we have clothes on our body, whether we may have any such um, blessing which may commence in our lives, it, with all due respects, people, my beautiful gems, it is on our Lordship's approval. Oh, yes, believe you me, it holds, it withstands most strongly on his command, whether we are approved to have a piece of bread, whether we are approved to have, irrespective, we may have random cravings. Oh, yes, we may have